Alright guys, so I took a lot of stuff out of my way. There was 2 screws here that hold in the, the plate where you screw in for the door panel. I unplugged this guy to remove this guy so we have a full working open work surface. So I removed all the 10 mils, 2 there, 1 there, and 3 there. Now the window's still in the door. Now it was stuck up, so all I had to do was just sandwich it with my hands and manually just work its way down to get to these 2 to release the window off the regulator. So let's do that. Already loosened it up. Still sitting here. Shouldn't go anywhere. Alright, so there you have it. So you got 2 10 mils, everything's loose. So the window should just pop right out. So you want to angle it outward and then outward. You see? Then it slides back into the track. So give me a minute. Alright, so back at it. Windows out. So you go out on an angle. And there it is. Out on an angle and then upward. Just to get an idea. So let's try to get this guy out. So he should be completely loose. And we gotta angle him too. So there we go. There's my little plug that I need. Alright. And then now this is a factory system. I don't know why it went bad. 11 years on it, but that's typical of Honda. This thing's been giving me crap since we bought the car. So there's the new one. I greased it up a little bit, the tracks to help. So I mean, these are greased up from the factory. I mean, maybe not enough. I mean, so you go and see it right about there. It goes up and down the track. So I'm gonna do that as well. So it's got some grease to it. It does look like it's dried up. So I'll show you another trick one of these days. How it will help window regulators. But trash. So let's work on putting this guy in. I'm gonna grease him up and I'll be right back. Alright, so in reverse order, I'll put the top side in this way because you have more room. It'll shove up into the door. Plug in the harness. That I need to show you. But this, loosely put these in. These are all still loose. Just make sure they're all in by hand first. Don't try to crank them. All these guys. Then, there you go. Now you can crank them. You could do it by hand. This is just easier. Now here's the new one. You can tell it's the old one. Junkyard. 50 bucks. eBay. Thank you, eBay. And then now we're going to put the window in. Again, on an angle this way. Turn it. And it'll slide back down. So let me see if I can get that. Alright, so let's see if I can get this with one hand. My cameraman is in school. So here it is. It's still not bolted in. So I can still lift it up by hand. Okay. So this is taking it out. So now you're on an angle outward. And you want to just clear the center. Alright. I don't know if you can tell it's there, but it's there. Alright, so putting it in. Again, doing this with one hand. You want to match up the track in the front. Now, a common issue with Honda, and I hate this, are these rubbers go bad. You see how it's sitting wrong? Here, let me put the window in. Hold on, let me get the window in. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is the common problem with Honda. See how it lays normally here, and then it goes and dips. Same with the bottom. It starts dipping in. Let me focus outward. So you're like sort of curled in the window. That's a common problem. I hate that because that puts tension on the actual window going up and down. So when you're actually done, you grab something, and I'll show you. You want to pull it out so it lays flat on the window. But eventually you do end up replacing them. So now let's go back in and show you that. Now this is one hand. Let's see if I can do this without smashing a window. Alright, so come on. I'm trying to get both hands here. Here we go. We got the glass. So now we're going to lower it. And now it's in the track. You see? Now we want it to align. So the window is sitting a little crooked. So let me straighten it back out into the door. And you can tell, once the bolts line up, the window will be all good. So let me do that, because I can't do it with no one hand. And I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Do them by hand first. You can use the drill, but just go forward with the hand and just crank it with a ratchet. Take the extra minute. Don't smash a window. You might be, I'm sure you're not going to smash a window with the drill, but you never know. Why risk it? So here's the moment of truth. Ooh, hello. So we got up. Ooh, hold on, wait, hold on. We got, let's see if I get in the same photo. Oh, we got down. I know, I didn't take a video of the broken one. What I'm going to show you. Hit the switch and does nothing. So, there we go. Fingerprints are free. Definitely going to need a rag. Definitely need a rag. Grease gun, no, I'm sure you don't have one. Just run to Pep Boys or whatever auto store you have and grab some silicone spray or Teflon spray. WD-40. And another trick is right here in the corners, this corner and this corner. I'm gonna make another video to show you how to take care of your car. You just spray and spray and spray until it comes out the bottom, and you're gonna notice a huge difference of how fast the window goes up and down. I don't have it with me. I'm gonna make another video, but for now, put everything back together just in reverse order and you're good to go. Oh wait, let me show you. Hold on. Actually, here, so let me show you about this. So let's put it back up. Alright, so the auto didn't work. The auto got lost. I'll show you how to do that. So just hold it after it goes up for 10 seconds. Now I'll do the auto up and then down, same thing. Hold it down. You'll hear the click. Wait for it to go down. Hold it for 10 seconds. It should be about 10 seconds, but let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Oh, there's auto up. And let's see if down worked. There you go. Auto down. So, let me show you what I'm talking about on the outside before I finish this video. Alright, so you see the struggle? You hear it struggling? See this? I would take my, not the sprinkler, this guy, something similar to it. Try to get up under and pull it out. Let's see if we can do it this way. See, you want to pull the rubber out from the window because it is putting tension on the window. Now, I'll probably end up replacing this because these are notorious. Hondas are notorious for doing this. They just curl up. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the material or what. But you want to just get in and get it out. You got the idea of it though. But definitely get that spray. Here we go. This is common Honda bullshit. Front one on this one's pretty good, which also happens with these Hondas / Acura. And then there you have it. Put everything back. Put the cover back. Unplug this guy. So we're gonna have to do the repeat again. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.